The science behind everyday phenomena explained. What mysteries are you curious about? From the shimmering colors of soap bubbles to the mesmerizing dance of northern lights, there's an overview of the science behind some everyday phenomena. Rainbows. Rainbows occur due to the refraction, dispersion, and reflection of sunlight in raindrops. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it is refracted, and then internally reflected. The different colors of light are dispersed and form a circular arc of colors in the sky. Thunderstorms. Thunderstorms result from the rapid upward movement of warm, moist air meeting colder air. As the warm air rises, it cools and condenses, forming cumulonimbus clouds. The rapid updrafts and downdrafts within these clouds generate electrical charges, leading to lightning and thunder. Tides. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on Earth's oceans. The gravitational force causes the water to bulge towards the celestial body, creating high tide. As Earth rotates, there are 2 high tides and 2 low tides roughly every 24 hours and 50 minutes. Magnetic compass. A magnetic compass aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field. The needle in the compass is a magnet, and it aligns itself with the north-south direction due to the Earth's magnetic field. The north-seeking end of the magnet points towards the Earth's magnetic north. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. Chlorophyll, a pigment in plant cells, absorbs light energy and uses it to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process provides energy for plant growth and releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Rain. Rain is the result of water vapor in the atmosphere condensing into liquid water droplets. This occurs when warm, moist air rises, cools, and reaches its dew point. The cooled air can no longer hold the moisture, leading to the formation of clouds and eventually precipitation in the form of rain. Mirages. Mirages are optical illusions caused by the bending of light as it passes through air layers of different temperatures. When light travels from a hot region to a cooler one near the ground, it refracts and creates the illusion of objects or water that aren't actually present. Bicycle stability. The stability of a bicycle is due to its gyroscopic effect, where the rotating wheels create angular momentum. Additionally, the trail, the distance between the point where the front wheel contacts the ground and the point directly below the steering axis, contributes to stability by causing the front wheel to steer in the direction of a lean, helping the rider maintain balance. Understanding the science behind everyday phenomena enhances our appreciation of the natural world and the principles that govern it.